fun.
Are you struggling to get all the blends in one place? Need some lesson ideas for teaching blends to your child? Look no further. ActiLearn's Phonics Level 1 book is a treasure trove of basic English knowledge for young children. The book includes exhaustive lists of CVC words, sight words, and blend words. The book also describes many types of professions, the tools they use, and about their workplace. Using the professions theme, children learn how to use the blend words in sentences easily. There is also a separate section called Professional Speak where good values are taught to children. The Phonics book helps in the development of reading skills, writing practice of CVC and blend words, vocabulary, spelling, memory, and retention. To shop for this best selling book, check out the description box. Thanks for watching the video and do join our social media community. Like, share, and subscribe to our